Front-end, back-end, full stack, or server. Today I'll be explaining front-end, back-end, server, and full stack development and how they all work together to build real-world applications like banking applications, e-commerce platforms, etc. Let's break it down carefully. What is front-end? Front-end is everything the user sees. So starting from the buttons, the pages, the design, the layout, and so on and so forth. What is back-end? Back-end is everything behind the scene. Some people call it under the hood and stuff like that. What are the things that's happening under the hood? User accounts, payments, data processing, etc. and etc. What is server? A server is a powerful computer where your website lives. It responds when users open your website. Who is a full stack developer? A full stack developer is someone who can build both the front end and back end, meaning they can build the entire system from start to finish. So simple example and analogy for this one, you can see front end like a shop display, the back end is like the warehouse, the server is building, storing everything. Full stack refers to a person that manages everything on this. Now here is the important part. A successful business needs a website, and the website must, number one, load fast, be easy to use, guide users clearly, convert visitors into customers. Without this, even a beautiful website will fail. So as a web developer, I build websites that are not just functional but designed to convert visitors into paying customers. I also teach beginners who want to learn. If you need help, you can contact me.